Hey everyone, in today's class we are going to solve few sums based on a test of congruency. If you have not seen the video of test of congruency, then go back and see that video. Okay, let's get started. Now, today we are going to solve practice at 3.2 first sum. First and we are going to take two sums. So let's see the first sum. So fourth sum is, in each of the examples given below, a pair of triangle is shown. Equal parts of triangle is each pair are marked with the same sign. Let's see this diagram again. Observe the figure and state the test by which the triangles in each pair are congruent. Now here what we have to do is, we have to observe the mark. Okay, see this marks. Let me take pen. Okay, now if you observe this mark here, okay, we have to observe this mark in both the triangles. Okay, now so what is the triangle name? We're going to start with this only. In this triangle, triangle ABC and triangle, we have to take both the triangle, both are congruent, by which test that we have to prove. Correct? So write down these triangle name first. So triangle, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, now by observing this mark we have to write it. So here you can see single mark on these side. Okay, means these two sides are congruent to each other. That is side AB is congruent to side PQ. Okay, so we'll write here. Now we'll write the next one. Here you can see this equal mark you can see on both the triangles. So write down the second one, that is side BC. We will write the second one, side, see here, BC is congruent to side QR. Correct? So we'll write down. Now the next one, next possibility is, that is AC is congruent to PR. Okay, this also we're going to note down. So we have written three side. So now which test? Okay, now which test it is? It is nothing but SAS. Sorry, this is nothing but SAS. No, it is SS. S test. You can see here side, side and side. Correct? Okay, so we have to write here. Let me erase. So here this all information was given already. Now so it is nothing but these both triangles are congruent to each other by which test, by which test, that is SAS test. The triangles are congruent to each other. Easy, very simple. Okay, like that we have to solve the second sum. Alright, so here the second sum is, read the question. In each of the examples given below, a pair of triangle is shown. Equal parts of triangle in each pair are marked with the same sign. Observe the figure and state the test by which the triangle in each pair are congruent. Same, it is like a fourth sum, right? Like a previous sum only. So now we have to observe only sign. Okay, these marks only we have to observe. Let me take pen here. Okay, we have to observe this mark. Correct? So if I want to observe, now children just observe this. Okay, if I want to observe, so XY is congruent to LM. Correct? First one we got the answer. Okay, now what will the second one? Second thing, that is after this you can see here angles are forming. Angle Y is congruent to angle M. Simple. Okay, now third one will be what? Side. That is side YZ congruent to side MN. Easy? Okay, it's very easy, children. Okay, this topic I think it's very easiest topic. Okay, okay, you have to just practice. Now we're going to see here what is the triangle name. Just write down the triangle name first. Okay, the step that you have to write in exam. Okay, you can write it neatly. Now the triangle name is triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. So what is congruent, we'll see here by seeing this mark. That is side XY is congruent to side LM, and next one is side, that is nothing but angle are forming, right? So angle Y is congruent to angle M, and the next one is, that is nothing but side YZ is congruent to side MN. Easy? We have written all the information by observing this mark. Easy? Okay, so now we have to write, if everything is congruent to each other, so it is nothing but angles, or triangles are also congruent, right? So write down that also. Okay, all this information was given. Fine. Now triangles, triangle XYZ congruent to triangle LMN. Easy. Okay, so everything we have written. Now we have to write by which test. See here, question asking, right? So we have to write the test. So by which test these triangles are congruent? Yes, that is nothing but you can see here side, angle and side, correct? Okay, so we'll write down that is SAS test, that is side angle side test of congruency. Triangles are congruent to each other. Very easy, simple. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do the practice. Okay, just practice this sum again and again. Okay, and if you're having any doubt, you can ask a doubt in comment section. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.